No, Joe. You put sand in the bucket with a spade.
Oh, wait here. Oh. Here, a spade.
Joe.
No, Joe. You're thick.
Too big?
Yeah.
I know what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry if it's not the right delivery. Just say Dizzy, Dazzy, Day.
Now we're going to make a sand castle.
Hands up. Hands up. I couldn't.
Can you give me a high five? Yeah.
I couldn't.